how to fix Telegram confirmation code not received. So if you want to fix the Telegram confirmation code not received error, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, the next thing you need to do is simply tap and hold on to that Telegram application. Go with app info. Once you go with the app info, you need to go with permissions, and under permissions, make sure that you've allowed the major permission or the main permission, which is notifications. Once you've turned on the notifications or allowed the notifications, then your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, you need to go back and you need to go with storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, you can go back and you need to open up your Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, go with search, and under search you need to search for Telegram. Once you've searched, here you will have the application. So if you have any updates under your Telegram, you just need to simply go and update your Telegram application. Once you update it, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then just go and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Telegram verification code not received. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.